Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences.
In today's video we will talk about the various steps of Eero 6 installation process that make your setup process easier and faster. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the box of the Eero 6 extender, you will find the main Eero 6 extender device. Accompanying the extender is a power adapter, essential for providing the necessary power to the device. The box also includes a quick start guide, offering step-by-step instructions to facilitate a smooth setup. So let's start the setup process.
Firstly, take out the Eero units, power adapters, and Ethernet cable from the box. Get the Eero app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Open the Eero app and either create a new Eero account or sign in if you already have one. Follow the prompts in the app to begin setting up your Eero network.
Now plug in your Eero 6 unit to a power outlet and connect it to your modem using the provided Ethernet cable.
The app will guide you through naming your network, setting a password, and creating your Eero network. It will prompt you to add additional Eero units if you have them for extended coverage. The app may ask you to update the firmware on your Eero devices. Follow the instructions in the app to complete this step. Once everything is set up, test your network by connecting your devices to the Wi-Fi network created by Eero. Ensure consistent coverage and check the speed of your internet connection. Use the Eero app to customize settings such as guest networks, parental controls, and device prioritization. Your Eero 6 network is now set up and ready to provide reliable Wi-Fi throughout your home. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily set up your Eero 6 network using the Eero app. Now your setup process is successfully complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.